did Digit optimize and improve its conversions? I would say that we started with analyzing the funnel that we already have for different products. We try to dive deeper into each product and see how the people are performing and how the funnel drop-offs generally look like. For us at Digit, conversions at that moment meant making more sales. So how do you get more people to actually purchase a policy? I would say that once we dive deeper into each of the products, we realized that there was one step right before the payment where the struggle was really happening, wherein there were like too many data points that we were asking the customer to fill right before they made the payment, which made it seem like a very friction and a very difficult journey for the user to complete, especially when we understood that it was for a particular segment. We try to dive deeper and realize that it's for a particular group of people where they are getting stuck and it's causing a friction in their buying journey. So what we decided to do, what our thought process was actually to make the process simpler and see if we can make it smoother for them. One of the solutions that we did was, maybe like in fintech, generally you have something called a KYC, where you ask for customer details and verify that they're the right individual. So, which is also a mandatory requirement by the regulator. So we decided that if we can just push that journey of that step of the journey to a later point in time, that may help in reducing the number of questions we are asking the customer to fill. And to our delight, it actually worked. Now, if you look at the journey, we are asking for these details post the payment, which is, I think, a more convenient flow for the user also to do, right? So, all in all, I would say that it's important that you reduce the frictions in the journey. Let's make it more convenient for the customer to progress through and see if you're able to reduce the number of clicks that they're doing. Apart from that, I feel like, and this is something very specific to insurance, that it's a complicated product. People generally shy away from buying directly from the website because they may not be aware of the right plan that they should purchase, or they may not understand the TNCs that are there behind a certain product. So they may always prefer a human intervention or a human touch. So the other thing that Digit did was to build nudges. I think it's important as a PM that you create as many touch points for your user if in case they're feeling lost. So one solution that I can think of is perhaps you can add a call option or a chat option for your users to see if they're somehow feeling stuck, maybe in terms of understanding the right product structure for them, they can certainly reach out to you without actually having to drop off from the website. So I think these are two things that Digit looked at, which helped it convert more and more customers. And I think the same can be implemented across many other spaces and many other companies.